What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a banger because I might, maybe, kind of, sort of, maybe will do something that's crazy to my truck literally tomorrow. So today I have to retorque it, but tomorrow I may be driving a couple hours away to get it OV tuned. Today we're talking about how to get more horsepower, more torque, better performance out of your Toyota Tacoma. We're gonna go over 3 things that a lot of people bring up when they're looking to do this modification. So if you're at all interested, please leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription. But without further ado, let's get right into today's video. All right, so I wrote it down. I got all my information sorted out for you, so I'm not blabbering like I'm doing now throughout the whole video. So let's go over the 3 main things that people talk about when they're looking to get more performance, get better gas mileage, everything, so on and so forth. So what's the main reason you would do this? A lot of people hate how the Toyota Tacoma drives from the factory, okay? They say it gear hunts too much, not enough power, you know, it didn't keep up with the Lamborghini you saw on the highway. Whatever the case may be, you want more power, you want more oomph. I get you, I understand, I'm right there with you. There's 3 main things that people do. 4, this little pinky right here, not too popular. 1, they regear it, that's very popular. Number 2, OV tune, hey OV tuners. And then 3, the pedal commander. Let's talk about the 4th, the pinky is a supercharger. Now that one's a lot more hands-on and a lot pricier. And that's the main reason people stay away from it, especially when you compare the performance to all the other ones. So let's talk about it. Number 1, let's just talk about pricing. We're gonna go from Regear, which is around $1,500 to $2,200 installed. So just think about that. Do you have $2,200 right now to dish that out? Maybe, maybe not. If you do, good for you. The pedal commander. The pedal commander, you can get it around $250, or you can win one of Jesse Rizzo's giveaways and get it for free. Unfortunately, I haven't won one yet, so we're gonna keep trying. Or you can get an OV tuner. Now, you can do it yourself for around $400, or you can find a local group chat, like on Facebook. I always tell y'all, we got a tuner that's coming by. He's gonna do it for a group rate of $200. I said, say less, I will be there. Regularly, if you're gonna do it yourself, $399. I'm doing it for $200, maybe, kind of, sort of. Now, installation is the big thing. Now, you know me, paying for labor cost, taking it to a shop to do the work. That's a good joke. Labor cost for this thing is expensive on the Regear. Now, that plus the supercharger are X'd out for me right away. Unless I learn how to change gears on a Tacoma, I will not be regearing my truck. The pedal commander is plug and play. Probably the most simple thing to do out of these 2, since you plug it in and you're good to go. Now let me tell you why it's a little bit better. Because you can unplug it at any time and it'll be back to factory spec. The OV tune, on the other hand, is plug and play if you buy the kit itself, because you can flash the system and you'll be good to go, but then unflash it. If I do it, I have to reach out to the person and have it unflashed. But that's not a problem. Most people don't want to, nor do they. That, in my opinion, is cool. I'm super excited, and I'm gonna ask you guys now to leave a like in the no, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna ask you guys for your opinion. What do you think? Should I do this? It'll make a lot of good videos. I'm gonna retorque my truck today. I wanted to do like a 0 to 60 test everything out, see the shifting points and all of that. So if you're interested and you want to see the OV tune, let me know. Should I test it out before and after, or just kind of give you guys the after points? Now, I am lifted. I'm on 33-inch tires. You know, 10 plies. They're around 55, 60 pounds each. So that's gonna affect this a little bit, but OV tune seems very experienced and very, what's the word? They know what they're doing, and this isn't something new, right? So they have been tried and true since like 2016. I've seen people run this, so I trust them, and I believe that they've mastered it and they've gotten it very, very near perfect. Now, people are gonna ask, Aang, does this void your warranty? Honestly, in my mind and how I think, if you go to a dealership and let's say you regear, your gears are giving you some issues and it could be linked to that, your warranty is voided. 0 zip, no chance. I don't care what anyone tells you. And that's the sacrifice I'm willing to make with everything. Like, as soon as I put my bigger tires in my lift kit, I just already think, like, if you mess up, like, this is on you. You screwed up, you're done for. I get it. You can get your lawyers, you can do all of this, all that fancy schmancy stuff. But in reality, how much of us are really able to try to fight something like that over $1,000 mod? It just isn't really a realistic way of thinking things. Toyota is, you know, stacked up with lawyers. They're ready for battle. Me, on the other hand, a part-time YouTuber, I can probably take some, keyboard warriors, but I don't think we're gonna put up a good fight. I'll say that much. So, does it void warranty? I don't know. I'm not sure. So what is the benefit of these? So I guess for the gear ratios, it's just better for low-end torque, but it sacrifices high-end speed driving. So you can no longer be part of the Toyota racing development if you're only able to go fast low gear. So if you're trying to hit, around 180, 170 miles per hour in your Tacoma, probably not going to happen if you regear it. But if you leave it stock, you'll be able to do 200, no problem. The pedal commander is kind of like ECT without ECT. It just enhances your pedal response. That's what it's called. So if you hit it, it is like you're putting a lot more pressure than you really are, and it just messes with your brain, but it doesn't get rid of the transmission going psycho. So that's why I'm leaning more to the Ovtune, because it does mess with everything. It messes with, your transmission, your engine, and your throttle response. So it's a 3-in-1 for less the price. So for me, it's a no-brainer, because I could pay to get it flashed and then re-flashed and still be under the pedal commander. So that's just my opinion. I may get a pedal commander down the line. You don't know. Your boy may blow up with this video and they might send me one out just to test it. Pedal commander, if you're looking to do that, thank you. I appreciate it. So what should you do? I don't know. I hope all this information helped you, and it's 100% truthful, but it's also 100% not really worth a cent, since I haven't done any of these. This is all based off reviews, and I'm going to first step into the Ovtune now, and I hope it is worth it. I hope it's fun. I hope it's what everyone makes it out to be. One thing that a lot of us Tacoma owners deal with is this thing called anticipation to change lanes. Never knew how to put that in words until I saw another Tacoma owner make a video and talk about it. If you're trying to change lanes, you really do have to anticipate it. So I put my foot down, look around, look back down, count to 100, and then I'm able to change lanes. But supposedly, maybe, kind of, sort of, with the Ovtune, it's going to be able to be just, get up and go. With that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I think I'm going to do it for 200 bucks. I mean, what do I got to lose? I hope I don't eat my words later. So let me know if you were running either of these. And yeah, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.